Hi guys. Today we're going to be doing, seeing if I can make cloud slime out of sand instead of fake snow. I want my baby sister to say hi. Hi. She's not in the mood to say anything right now. But we're going to be doing that. And before we start this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Can you say like? She thinks that's a bubble one, but it broke. So, okay. So I have some slime in here. Sand right here. And I'm going to be adding some. And check out Mary on Baby Reacts videos on my channel. If you've seen it before, it's probably on Baby Reacts. Kind of a sticky slime, but the sand can get it a harder texture. Mary dropped hers in sand, and that got me the idea of doing this video. I'm adding a lot of sand. That makes it the texture that you need. Fake snow's kind of gritty, and that's what you need. This is kind of gritty. It's nice because I'm outside and it's sand. I can just make a mess with it. Mare, where are you going? No. Mare, slime. She loves slime. Sand. I might need more sand. I'm going to ask Mary to get some of me when I'm out. There's a lot on the patio right now. What? I'll ask you in a sec to go get something. What? Can you get sand? Mary, can you put sand in here? Can you put sand? Sand over there. Can you put it in there? No. Dang it. She's lazy. Well, I just asked her to, so I'm the lazy one. Okay. I'll do it then. Sorry, guys. I'll be back. Did she talk at all when I was gone? Oh, I'm coming. Whee! It's icky. Sticky. Where are you going, Mary? Want to play with some sand? She loves sand. Nice, I got a new batch. Sand. I ran as fast as I could because I didn't want to leave you guys. I don't want to use iMovie because sometimes it doesn't upload for me. I'm adding a lot of sand just to make it the texture I need to have. It's starting, but it's like regular slime. Oh no, she's gone. Mare! My parents are in the backyard. I know my dad is, and my neighbors, because they're putting up something. I don't know what. There's an old lady walking. Walking past her house. So funny. I'm gonna need more sand. This is crazy. Oscar, what are you doing? Mare, come here. She has a rock. She's obsessed with rocks. Rock. If you heard her say that, she says rock a lot. Well, fart. She loves saying fart. It's like her word. It's not forming. Here, in a sec. We have like beach sand at our house, So that's why it's like, it's not like I'm just using dirt at our house. Like, what? So I'm just using some sand that we have, because we have sand. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Okay, I'm putting this some up here, and I have to get more sand. I'm going to put it in the big cup this time. Mom. Okay, adding sand. Mom's home. Where did you go?
They're closed.
Oh. I was like, you came back fast.
I hope that's okay, because... Oh, yeah, that was found. So now, you even filled up the other one. That's too bad.
Sounds really cool.
Rock.
Rock. I bet you heard her say that, right? Mary say rock. Oh, it's starting to form into what I want it to. I just kept adding sand because I'm like, it has to be a different texture at some point.
Rock. Rock.
It looks kind of gross, but you know,
Here.
you can deal with it. Listen, it's really, okay, I'm gonna go like that. It makes a really cool sound when you do that.
Bye.
Oh, we're not leaving yet, Mary.
Bye.
Okay, Mary will say bye at the end
Bye.
for us. Where are you going?
Bye.
Bye.
Look. Look.
I know. I think she's like wanting her nook, and then she's going in the backyard or something because she says bye when she's leaving around me. Okay, this is my end result.
Bye.
Cloud slime. It actually feels like cloud slime, but it's not like, it's kind of, I don't know. I made one before this just to make sure I could do something. And my end result last time, crap, okay, was this. It seems like it's more like what I was going for, and I thought this is what, I don't know, but I tried it before because oh yeah, she did leave. Okay. I tried it before this, and I didn't think it really worked that well, but I think it worked better than it did, actually. It was fun because I was over there with Mary, and I just went like this, and it fell in the dirt, and it was full of dirt. It was nice. It makes it, it's not dirt, sand. It makes it look really cool, and not look cool, but it makes it sound cool. Okay, I have to go get Mary quick. Be right back. Say bye. Okay, I think this challenge was a success. Do you think so? Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye guys. Can you say bye, Mare?
Bye.